If you watch the TV show Friends, you've probably heard some expressions that sound strange. Today, we're going to learn some cool phrases from Friends Season 1, Episode 1, and I'll explain them in a simple way. So next time you hear them, you will understand them instantly. Now let's see what's the first idiom that we have here. So the first idiom that is all of a sudden. What does it mean? So as you can see, that means very quickly, without warning. But what are the synonyms? As a synonym, we can say that suddenly or unexpectedly. Let's see the example. All of a sudden, the phone starts to ring.
All of a sudden, the phone starts to ring.
Number 2, to hell with her. What's that mean? That means I don't care about her anymore. And as a synonym, what can we say? We can say, forget her, I don't care about her. So let's see the example. To hell with her, she left me.
Don't, to hell with her, she left me.
So the next one is, it matters to me. That means it is important to me. As a synonym, what can we say? We can say it's important to me. Let's see the example. I just don't love him. Well, it matters to me.
Well, it matters to me.
Number 4, this is for the best. What does it mean? That means this is the best decision, even if it's sad now. Let's see the synonym. The synonym that means this is a good thing in the end. And the example, okay, look, this is probably for the best, you know.
Hey, look, this is probably for the best, you know?
Number 5, take control of something. What does it mean? That means be in charge of something. And as a synonym, we can say that manage something, be the boss of something. Let's see the example. Taking control of your life.
Independence, taking control of your life.
Number 6, hitting on somebody. What does it mean? That means trying to flirt with someone. And as a synonym, we can say flirting with someone. Let's see the example. Stop hitting on her. It's her wedding day.
Joey, stop hitting on her.
Number 7, hang out. What does it mean? That means spend time together for fun. And as a synonym, we can say spend time together. Let's see the example. Well, actually, thanks, but I think I'm just gonna hang out here tonight.
Well, actually, thanks, but I think I'm just gonna hang out here tonight.
Number 8, leave off somebody. What does it mean? That means not include someone. What's the synonym? We can say exclude someone, not mention someone. Let's see the example. Come on, you can't live off your parents your whole life.
Come on, you can't live off your parents your whole life.
And the last one, number 9, have crush on somebody. What does it mean? That means like someone in a romantic way. And as a synonym, we can say that like someone, be interested in someone. Let's see the example. You probably didn't know this, but in high school, I had a major crush on you.
A major crush on you.
I hope you enjoyed this video, and for more English videos, you can subscribe us. No one can be famous, but everyone can be great. Take care.